So this software works completely fine on both mobile and in laptop as well. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. So in this video I am going to generate GL winning teams for the tomorrow match between Mumbai Indians and RCB. So in this video basically we are going to generate the teams from team generating software that we have already offering in our channel. So before generating those teams, let's analyze the data and let's analyze the pitch report and all the necessary data. So the match is in between RCB versus Mumbai Indians. So let's analyze the data. According to the data that we have, the probable playing 11 from the RCB side will be Virat Kohli, Mohammad Azharuddin, AB de Villiers, Glenn Maxwell, Pawan Deshpande, Daniel Christian, Washington Sundar, Kyle Jamieson, Chahal, Siraj and Saini. And from the Mumbai Indians side, Rohit Sharma, Chris Lynn, Ishan Kishan, Suryakumar Yadav, Kieron Pollard, Hardik Pandya, Krunal Pandya, Jimmy Neesham, Rahul Chahar, Jasprit Bumrah and Trent Bolt from the Mumbai Indians side. So let's analyze let's check the top players from both the sides. So the top players will be Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, Glenn Maxwell and Kyle Jamieson from the RCB side, and from the Mumbai Indians side Rohit Sharma, Chris Lynn, Jasprit Bumrah and Ishan Kishan. So we are going to create Grand League winning teams in our software. So before doing that, we need to analyze the captain eligible players, the players that we can consider as a captain in our teams. So those will be Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers and Kyle Jamieson can be treated as a captain from RCB side, and also from Mumbai Indians side Rohit Sharma, Chris Lynn and Jasprit Bumrah. As well as the captain, let's check the vice captains as well. So the vice captain eligibility players from RCB will be Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, Glenn Maxwell, Kyle Jamieson and Yuzvendra Chahal, and from the Mumbai Indians side it will be Rohit Sharma, Chris Lynn, Ishan Kishan, Jasprit Bumrah and Suryakumar Yadav. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch details will be the pitch will be a balanced pitch, that means it supports both batting and bowling as well. So and as far as the data concerned that we have, the average total score will be 137. That means the total number of the average run scored will be around 270 runs, around 280 runs out of 40 overs. That means it is a balanced pitch. So in point of view of our team generating software, so let's analyze some of the tips and tricks to get the best winning teams in the Grand Leagues. So the first thing will be, since the pitch is a balanced pitch, so the total team credit range will be around 98 to 100, and also since Mumbai Indians is almost equal to RCB when it compared to the batting and bowling and all-rounder side, so we can have 6 players from Mumbai Indians and 5 players from RCB, or else we can have 5 players from Mumbai Indians and 6 players from RCB. So the most important part, so the possible best combinations for this match will be 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 4 bowler, or 2 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 3 bowler, or 1 wicket keeper, 3 batsmen, 3 all-rounder, 4 bowler. So by using all this data, let's generate the teams in our beautiful team generator software. Those who don't know about this software, this is a premium team generating software which is specifically built for winning Grand Leagues and as well as small leagues as well. So let's jump into this. So let's jump into this our software. So this is the software that I'm talking about. So in this software, first of all we need to click on cricket and then generate teams, and then we need to choose the fantasy, which is Dream11 at the moment, and after that we need to choose the series. As of now we are going for IPL. And there are 3 sections as well. Those who want the small league teams, Grand League teams, quick small league and quick Grand League, those who can go for these 2 sections. But in this video I am going to analyze advanced generation section, which is the most powerful section in our software. So the match is in between Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Mumbai Indians. So the match number, you can give any match number. Let me give 15 as the match number. So after that we need to select the probable 11, I mean the players that are going to be played on tomorrow. So let me quickly select those players. So Jamieson, Daniel Christian, Siraj, Saini and Yuzvendra Chahal, and Ishan Kishan, Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Chris Lynn, Krunal Pandya, Karen Pollard, Hardik Pandya, Jimmy Neesham, Rahul Chahar, and Bumrah and Bolt. So these are the 22 players that may play on tomorrow. These guys might play on tomorrow. These are the probable 11s. So after that we need to click on continue. After that we need to select the fixed players. Here fixed players means the players that they are definitely going to play tomorrow. So we might predict Virat Kohli definitely play, might score a good run. So that's why I am fixing Virat Kohli at the moment. So after that we need to select the players we want to consider as a captain. So I have already shown to you previously in the slides as well. Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, Virat Kohli, and KL Jamieson will be the players who can be considered as a captain from RCB side, and as well as from the Mumbai Indians side, Rohit Sharma, Chris Lynn, and Jasprit Bumrah can be considered as a captain. And for the vice captain, AB de Villiers again, Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, KL Jamieson, and Yuzvendra Chahal, and Rohit Sharma, Ishan Kishan, Suryakumar Yadav, Chris Lynn, and Bumrah can be treated as a vice captain players. So after that we need to select the team partition strategy. That means how many players we want from Mumbai Indians side and how many players we want from RCB side. As we have already discussed in the slides, we are going with 5-6 and 6-5. And after that we need to give the credit range. Since it is a balanced pitch, we need to go for 98 to 100. And after that we need to click on continue. And also the strategies I have already given in the slides as well. These 1 3 3 4, 1 4 2 4, and 2 3 2 4 2 3. These are the strategies that we are going to go with. After that we need to click on continue, and it is asking us to enter the number of teams that we want to generate. So let's generate 11 teams. So you can see all the 11 teams are generated, and these are definitely winning teams because we have analyzed all the required data, and these teams are generated successfully. So I hope you guys like this video, and those who want this software, I forgot to mention, this is a premium Dream11 team generating software. It is not only for Dream11, it also supports multiple fantasy applications as well. Those who want this software, you can see, you can contact me, and I have provided my contact details in the description box below, and at the and also in the comment section below. Those who want this software can contact me also. This software works completely fine on both mobile and in laptop as well. So I hope you like this video. Please watch this video carefully and follow the instructions that I have given, and win a lot of money. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.